today I'll be the happy phantom, and I'll go chasing the nuns out in the yard, and I'll run naked through the street without my mask on, and I will never need umbrellas in the rain. I'll wake up in strawberry fields every day, and the atrocities of school I can't forgive. The happy phantom has no right to bitch. Well, woohoo, the time is getting closer. Woohoo, time to be a ghost. Woohoo, every day we're getting closer. The sun is getting dim. Will we pay for who we've been? Yeah. So if I die today, I'll be the happy phantom, and I'll go wearing my naughties like a Jew. They'll be my ticket to the Universal Opera. There's Judy Garland taking Buddha by the hand, and then these 7 little men get up to dance. They say Confucius does his crossword with a pen. I'm still the angel to a girl who hates to sin. Woohoo, the time is getting closer. Woohoo, time to be a ghost. Woohoo, every day we're getting closer. The sun is getting dim. Will I pay for who I've been? Yeah. I see you, dear, and wish I could come back. You found a girl that you could truly love again. Will you still call for me when she falls asleep? Or do we soon forget the things we cannot see? Woohoo, the time is getting closer. Woohoo, time to be a ghost. Woohoo, every day we're getting closer. The sun is getting dim. Will I pay for who I'm